Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how we install this window deflector on your 2025 Nissan Kicks. First step is to lower your window. Next is you might want to pull down this rubber window sill. Before installing the new window deflector, you might want to clean the area around the window. This window deflector comes with some adhesive that we need to pull off. Just a little bit like this. This is the hardwares that we're going to use on our window deflector. This part right here is gonna attach to the window frame. Like that. And here's the other one. Now we're just going to align this screw on the back of the window deflector. So here's the back part of the window deflector. This is the screw that I'm talking about. You just need to align it with the hole and then lock it with the lock washer. So basically you just need to push that lock washer. Each window deflector comes with 2 lock washer. And lastly, put back those window rubber seal. Same process goes for the rear windows. Last step is to fully secure the window deflector by exposing the adhesive on the back of it. The passenger side is done, and now we're going to do the other side as well. And that's how you install your OEM window deflector for your 2025 Nissan Kicks. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.